thumbs up button. Make sure when you're listening, hit that thumbs up. Now don't be stingy. Hit that like button and subscribe boost and that bell button. Okay, so we one step closer, boo. We are one step closer, boo. We're one step closer to this new body, to our big day, to my big day. But I feel like it's our big day because I'm like taking y'all along with me, so I'm like uber super stoked. Gotta make this video quick. I'm about to go work out with my homeboy, so I gotta make this video super quick. So listen, so I'm gonna tell you guys in this video what I did to get my iron level up so that I will pass, and so that you pass and get approved for the surgery. It's one of the requirements when you're going forward to get your BBL or your surgery, whatever. You have to pass the iron level so that you don't have to, you're not going to end up needing any cell savers because your iron level is too low. So thank God I saved myself with that extra $500. So I feel like uber stoked and like OD excited because that's like one less thing that I have to worry about, and I feel like so much closer. Like, and then the fact that like right now, like to the date of me recording this, my surgery is 38 days away. By the time you guys see this, it'll be probably about 37, 36. I'm trying to hurry pump this video out for y'all. But anywho, so I want to share with y'all what I did, what I took, my regimen and everything to make sure that I passed my iron level lab test. And I got the results last Friday from my doctor's office. So I'm like uber excited, and I know the level that's necessary. I do know the level that's required, and I know I surpassed that level, and I have it on my IG. I'm also, if you guys are part of the surgery community, if you follow me, you already seen it, but if not, the worst I'm outside for you, boo. So we're gonna get right into the vitamin regimen that I used to thing right for the surgery or whatever. So that I did, I made sure I purchased Floradix. Floradix. I'm hoping that's good. Okay, y'all can see. I take this. I was going back and forth between this and Floradix and Alright, so I was going back between Floradix liquid iron supplement and the actual pill. So I started to use the liquid more because I realized that it hits your bloodstream a little bit, it hits your bloodstream faster because it's liquid. And then also when it comes down time to traveling for the surgery, and I'm still going to continue my vitamin regimen, I don't want to have to worry about the fluid ounces of how much I can and can't take with me and how heavy this is. Like, so I'm going to do more, I'm doing more liquid than I am, and I'm going to save the actual pills for when I need, for traveling purposes. So those are two things that I take. I take and was taking prior to. And then also I'm taking multivitamins. These are Equate from Walmart, of course. And I take two of these dailies. They're so good. So they're like delicious. I mean, honestly. So the women's vitamins, I take two of those every day. And then I have two more things, or a little bit more things. And then, so, oh, I forgot to mention, with the liquid, let me tell y'all, with this liquid, it has a really nasty, not too nasty. I felt like a little kid taking medicine here, right? You know how your kids, if you have kids or any young kids around you, or if you can even remember how you were as a kid taking medicine. This is the feeling that it gives you. It has that, and anybody who ever taken noni or anything like that, it kind of tastes like noni or prune juice. And then it has like an inky taste. It has an inky taste at the end, so it's like really weird, like a penny taste. So I take it with orange juice. That's the suggestion. Take it with orange juice. You won't even notice I hold my nose too. I know that's very childish, but away it gets the motherfucking job done. Period. All right, so I also take my vitamin C. I purchased 2 bottles of this from Walmart because they were selling off of the shelves, and these were like $3.98. I've been doing my Walmart prices. I take these. I took about 2 of these a day. 2 to 3. Because it's not on the thing. So either way I pass. So 2 to 3 of those. Beet roots. Beet roots, this helps with your blood flow and everything. And it helps with the supporting of your iron and everything. So I take beet roots. And then I also take another vitamin B12. I take a double of it because it's kind of a lot of it's B12 within the women's multivitamin supplement, but I need all the vitamins I can get. I also take omega root omega-3 for my heart. And then I'm going to get into the collagen, so that way, you know, when it comes down to the healing and everything, my skin being restored, that, you know, we good to come on back together like a nice little rubber band. So anyway, those are the vitamins, everything that I take, that I was taking to pass my iron level. If I'm not mistaken, I'm going to put it somewhere in here, but I'm not mistaken, my iron level was like a 13.1 or 13.5. It. Your girl is there, okay? We one step closer to the big day. One step closer, but we are one step closer to getting sniped. You hear me? So if any of you are struggling with that, don't worry, just take them. I do it every single day. The proper way is right there by my toothpaste first in the morning. I take my pills, I'm good to go. I also take my folic acid. I can't find that bottle, but I also take my folic acid. Do not forget about that. That is another requirement you're gonna need to take, okay? You're gonna feel like you're around here like a pharmacist with all these pills you got to pop, but it is for your betterment, I promise. So if y'all have any questions or concerns, or y'all need anything more from me, let me know down in the comments section. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, so that you can also pass your hemoglobin iron level test, and y'all can be right one step closer getting snatched, okay? Because we're going to do that, no jokes. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that notification bell, boos, that subscribe button. I love you. Bye, boos. See you in the next one.